Hello, my name is Idrak. I'm a third-year computer science student from Lassonde, and I'm currently doing my co-op at Dayforce as a software engineer.
Hi, my name is Rayyan, and I'm in my third year of computer science at York University. I am currently a co-op student at Electronic Arts, or EA, and as a software engineer for 8 months.
So for me, so far in my co-op, the most valuable experience has been testing, because testing is something that I have not worked on before in any of my personal projects or hackathons.
So the most valuable experience I've gotten from working at EA is learning new languages and tools and technologies. One of the tools that I worked on was the tool that will essentially help artists and other engineers to build their games, as well as any changes that they're making. So it helps streamline their entire process. So that was an amazing tool that I worked on, which is live, and I think that made a huge impact.
So for new students coming in to Lassonde, I definitely highly recommend looking into the deadlines carefully, making sure you get everything done on time. There's a lot of course requirements, credit requirements. You have to make sure you apply on time.
I'd say the Lassonde Co-op portal is pretty good when it comes to getting your foot through the door. It is very good for your first experience and getting full-time offers as well. So I definitely recommend.